मित्रांनो, आपण मेकॅनिक्स हा चॅप्टर बघत आहोत. त्यात ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल पोटेन्शियल ड्यू टू अ स्फेरिकल सेल याविषयी आता आपण विचार करणार आहोत. सी in this gravitational potential due to a spherical cell, again it having a three cases. First case we will see here, gravitational potential at a point outside the spherical cell. आपल्याला ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल पोटेन्शियल आपल्याला डिराइव्ह करायचं. वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट इट. आणि कोणाचं तर ॲट अ पॉइंट आउटसाइड द स्फेरिकल सेल. ही स्फेरिकल सेल आहे. हा पॉइंट पी, हा पॉइंट पी जो आहे तो पॉइंट पी स्मॉल लेटर आर ह्या डिस्टन्सवर लोकेट केलेला आहे. आणि बघा तो सेंटर ओ पासून लोकेट केलेला आहे. आता we will give beam name here. आणि ह्या स्पेअरची जी रेडियस आहे ती आहे कॅपिटल लेटर आर. द सरफेस डेन्सिटी म्हणजेच काय तर मास पर युनिट एरिया ऑफ सरफेस इज रो. मास पर unit area. Now we will make a geometry by which we will get the idea. We will join here OP, already it is joined, and we will cut out a slice CEFD. CEFD is a slice, we have been cutted it, and it is in the form of a ring by two planes which are close to each other and perpendicular to radius OA. This OA, this point, this much distance, again we can denote it as a capital letter R. And see now here angle EOP, this angle EO and P, angle EOP, this much angle is theta. Yes, then again the angle COE, angle COE, this is nothing but a small angle d theta. From diagram we can say that radius of the ring, see EK, where is the K? This is the point here, we can say that K, EK. EK is nothing but OE sin of theta, OE sin of theta. And see again this OE is nothing but the radius of the sphere and denoted by the capital letter R. Therefore we will put here R into sin of theta, R into sin of theta. We know that the formula for the circumference equals to, here we can write circumference equals to 2 pi r. This is the formula, and by here we having the r, that is r sin of theta. Then we will put here in this formula, that is 2 pi r sine of theta. And see the width of slice, we have we have been cutted it CEFD, this slice, and the width of this slice is given by CE equals to C r into d theta, r into d theta. Now we have calculate the area of the slice or the area of the ring, and therefore again we have to make some calculations. Here we will do it. See now, the area of the slice is given by circumference into width. It is given by circumference into width. We are having the both the quantities. We know the circumference and as well as width. The circumference is 2 pi r sine of theta into width is given by r into d theta. Then what will be the 2 pi r square sine theta into d theta This we will get. But again, what is the mass of the sphere? How it can be calculated? The mass equals to density multiplied by volume. See again here, we have to calculate the mass, and the formula for it equal to, as we have discussed, mass equals to what? This circumference, or we can say density into volume. Again, in the beginning we have been calculated, or in the beginning we have been considered the density as a rho, and therefore this quantity 2 pi r square sine of theta into d theta into rho. See now, if EP, this much distance equal to x, if EP equal to x, then every point on the slice, see once again, we are interested to find out a gravitational potential at a point outside the spherical shell. This is the case, and therefore every point of the slice is at a distance r. What are which are the small letter r is the distance from P, and therefore the potential at P here. We are here calculating the potential at P due to this small slice is given by, this is the dV equal to minus of mass of slice upon x. Again, x is nothing but the distance, this distance, and into multiplied by capital letter G. See now here, mass of the slice minus, it will be as it is, mass of the slice 2 pi r square into sine of theta into d theta into rho. This is the mass of the slice. Then see, x is the distance, and what is the x here? Here r is the x, multiplied by what? Multiplied by this factor, that is a z, and therefore we can give the number 1 what it may be. See now, in triangle OEP, we have to consider the OEP triangle and see what geometry gives us for the required gravitational potential for the point which is located at outside of the spherical shell, and therefore EP square in this triangle OEP, EP square equals to what? OE square plus OP square plus OP square minus twice OE into OP into cos of theta. See now, we will put the values. EP square. What is EP square? We having the value of EP is x, therefore x square. OE square. What is OE square? OE square is nothing but the radius of that sphere, and it is nothing but the r, capital letter R square, plus OP square. Again this OP square. This OP square is nothing but a small letter r square minus twice of OE. What is OE? OE is twice r into OP, small letter r into cos of theta. This is nothing but, and here now we can get the value. For getting it, we have to differentiate this equation, and we will get with respect to x, that is 2x into dx, 2x into dx. Then this quantity will be 0 plus this quantity will be 0 because they are being a constant quantity, minus of twice r into r into r. See here, we have to make one correction. We have been written EP square. Where is EP square? EP square, yes, OE square plus OP square minus 2 OE OP cos of theta, r square plus r square minus 2r into cos of theta, and by differentiating it we get 2x into dx, 0 plus 2r into r. Yes, and cos theta having differentiation, sine of theta into d theta, and here we get 2r into r sine of theta into d theta. See now, here small r and capital R being a constant, and now for next we have to make the arrangement in this way. See now, x equals to x equals to what? Again 2r into r sine of theta into d theta divided by this 2 into dx, 2 into dx. This 2 get cancelled, and here the final thing r into r sine of theta into d theta upon dx. This is the value of x, and we will substitute the value of x, or in if you having or you having the equation first, that is dv equal to minus of 2 pi r square sine of theta into d theta into rho divided by r into g. In that equation we have to put the value of 2 r into sine of theta into d theta upon dx, and in this way we will put the value here, by which we will get the idea how the equation is going to simplifying. See here, I will write that equation in which we have to make a substitution, and then it will be easy to understand. That equation was equal to minus of twice pi r square into sine of theta into d theta into rho divided by small letter r into g. In this equation we have to put the value, that is r into r sine of theta d theta by dx, and therefore here for r we will substitute it, this value of x, and therefore here we will get minus of 2 pi r square into sine of theta into d theta divided by, see, capital letter R into R, this much quantity, R sine of theta into d theta by, here we are taking r, therefore dr, and here the multiplying factor rho into g as it is. See what we are going to do. In place of small r, or here we are putting the value of the x, and by which here we get the equation 2 pi r square sine of theta into d theta into rho g as it is, and in the place of this r we are making putting the value which we got here for the x, that is r into r sine of theta into d theta by dr. Here see what to do. we will make a simple thing. 2 pi r square into sine of theta into d theta into rho into g. Yes, multiplied by dr divided by, yes, divided by what? R into small r sine of theta into d theta. Then which quantities will remain, which will cancel? We have to see. This will cancel here. Again sine of theta cancels, d theta again cancels. Then the quantity which here minus of twice pi r into rho into g into dr divided by r. This is the quantity. Now this is nothing but potential dV. We having a potential dV for one slice. Again we have to integrate this quantity between the limits x equals to AP. See now here friends, we have to integrate between the limits x equals to AP and is nothing but equal to r minus r and x equal to BP. BP equal to what? BP equal to r plus r. These are the limits, and therefore by which we get the potential due to the whole cell at the point P, and therefore V equals to integral of minus of integral of this quantity minus of twice pi r rho g into dr divided by r between the limits r minus r and r plus r. See now, minus twice pi r rho and g constant quantity divided by r and integral of dr. Here dr means x. We have been taken it as a dx, and between the limits r minus r and r plus r. The integration of dx is x. We will take a simple form here. See now, by solving it, again minus of twice pi r rho g divided by r in bracket dx integral x and the limit r minus r, here r plus r, and by solving it we get here uh, 2 pi r rho g divided by r, and in bracket see r plus r upper limit minus lower limit r minus r. This plus r and minus r will cancel. No, what? Yes, plus here it should be a plus r minus minus it will get plus. Therefore, that is nothing but 2r, and therefore I think you are getting the things. You are getting the things. Yes. Therefore, here we will see the simplified form, that is twice pi r rho g divided by r into into twice r. See, twice r means 2 are 2 means 4, and therefore here 4 pi r square, this r and this r, that is a r square, and into rho into g and divided by r. Now we know the surface area of the whole cell, that is nothing but the 4 pi r square, and 4 pi r square rho is equal to its mass. See here, see now friends, the surface area of the shell is nothing but 4 pi r square, and m, that is the mass of the cell, is nothing but 4 pi r square and rho. This much quantity we can replace this 4 pi r square rho as a m, and therefore here we have to continue the minus sign which we have been forgotten. Now therefore, if 4 pi r square rho, this much quantity is m, therefore here minus of m, capital letter M, this g as it is, and this is nothing but the small letter r, and C, this is nothing but the gravitational potential V. This is nothing but the gravitational potential V. The required equation, required formula for the gravitational potential when the point is situated at outside the spherical cell, and V equal to minus of mg by r. Okay.